Hello everyone, welcome to the ichimokocharts.com daily analysis for the US dollar index FX futures for Monday, July the 18th, 2011. Well, a continuation of the trend to the upside today. When you have a candle that's made a higher high and a higher low, previous day's trading we had a candle that changed the trend to the upside. It was a spinning top type candle that was a candle of indecision. Today's trading, the market has continued that trend to the upside. Having said that, however, the bulls aren't necessarily supporting this move to the upside. We can see that we do have a green-bodied candle, which denotes the buyers making net bullish progress. So that is something on the side of the bulls, but we have this large shadow on top of this candle representing a loss of commitment by the bulls, and that does suggest that the trend may not continue. We also have the market closing between the midpoint level and the low, so we've had the sellers actually close this market with control. Now the control that they close this market with is only fairly weak, but we certainly didn't have the buyers closing this market with control, so that could be significant for a potential change of trend. Now having said that, however, the trend is to the upside, so proof of a change of trend would be a candle with a lower high and a lower low. So that makes the low of the current candle very important for the next day's trading. If we do have a lower low and lower high, we could see the market test down to lower levels around 75, where we had a zone of solid support. We also have support down around the cloud, which will extend only a very short area of the chart from roughly 74.88 down to about 74.83. It's a very weak area of the chart, and if the market does test down to those levels, we could see the market break out and test down to around 74.50 or below. Having said that, however, we do require that change of trend. Now to the upside, if the market does continue trading up, we have this very strong area of resistance at 76.59, which the market tested on 1, 2, 3, 4 occasions previously. And if we do see the market test up around there and we see a shadow on the top or an indecisive type candle, that could set the market up for a potential change of trend to test down, back down to lower levels. Now in Ichimoku charts terms, the market is still trading above the cloud, so the market retains an overall positive bias, but it's trading down below the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, so the market is negative in the medium-term and fast-term time frames. The Kijun-sen had turned flat, and we've seen the price action attracted back towards the Kijun-sen, and that's exactly what's happened here. So we would expect that this area between the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen to hold as an area of resistance for this market, and that's perhaps why we saw selling coming in, as evidenced by the shadow on the top of this candle. So for the next day's trading, certainly watch the low of the current candle for any potential lower high and lower low, but watch the high for a potential test up to 76.59.